Do you feel like making a cake from scratch takes way too much time and effort, but you love the idea of something homemade and decadent? This chocolate cheat cake delivers bakery quality indulgence without the fuss. It is moist, fudgy, and pairs beautifully with the very simple, fluffy whipped cream frosting. To begin with, grease a 9x13 pan and then in a large mixing bowl, whisk together the dry ingredients until evenly combined. One of the secrets to a really fudgy cake is Dutch processed cocoa. It gives you that deep chocolatey flavor and velvety texture that makes every bite taste extra indulgent. Another really important tip is to spoon your flour into the cup instead of scooping. This keeps it light and airy so your cake stays soft and tender. Now in a separate bowl or glass measuring cup, whisk together the whole milk, oil, vanilla, and eggs. One simple tip, I have found whisking the eggs first before combining with the other ingredients to make the process much easier. Add the wet ingredients to the dry and whisk just until the batter is smooth. Making sure not to overmix at this point keeps the cake tender and prevents it from turning dense. Another secret to truly rich chocolate cake is strong brewed coffee. It deepens the cocoa flavor, adds a touch of moisture, and balances the sweetness for an incredible depth of flavor. Pour the batter into the prepared pan, give it a few gentle taps on the counter to release the air bubbles, and bake for approximately 30 minutes. Once the cake is cooled completely, beat the heavy whipping cream with the sugar and vanilla in a chilled bowl. Using a hand mixer, it will take about 3 to 5 minutes. Once it's done, frost the cake, but to make it extra special, sprinkle it with shaved bittersweet chocolate. As amazing as this cake is now, just wait until you see all the flavors you can spin off from it. Within the recipe post, I share 4 incredibly delicious variations: a Black Forest version, in addition to a caramel poke variety, peppermint chocolate, and peanut butter chocolate. For more recipes like this and for weekly inspiration, make sure to head on over to thefedupfoodie.com and sign up for my newsletter where I share recipes and tips in helping to make cooking from scratch approachable.